All right, welcome back. We're back in the lab today, and today we're going to learn about how we automatically create company records based on a contact's email domain. So we can configure HubSpot to automatically create a company anytime a contact comes in, someone submits a lead form based on their email address. This works for B2B as long as your contacts have business emails with their website email address in their email, then this is going to work for you, and it's going to work quite well. There's a few things that we need to configure for this. So where we find this setting in HubSpot, it's very easy to turn on, but if you don't do some things ahead of time, then it's going to create a mess in your system. So you're going to jump over into the cogwheel in settings. From that cogwheels section in your settings, you're going to bounce over into objects under data management, and you're going to go to companies. Now from this panel, we have this automation right here, and it's create and associate companies with contacts. So we'll associate current and newly added contacts with companies based on a contact's email address and a company's domain. So if you don't have that company in the system, we will, it'll automatically create that company record for you based on the back half of the domain. Now, there's one hole with this, and I'm going to show you the workaround, okay? There are certain email addresses out there. We've all used them. You've got, your hotmail.coms, your outlook.coms, your icloud.com, any of these free email address providers that aren't linked to an actual company but are more consumer grade email addresses. It's not going to work correctly for those. So what we have to do is we have to add an opt-out list to filter these free email addresses out of this automation. All right, so it's very simple to do, and with this video there is a provided recommended list of free email addresses that covers 99% of the free email addresses out there in use. So you can find that in the description of this video. So if I go in here, I can click on this button right here. It says include an email out of automatic association. I'll go ahead and click this. And then here's where it gets kind of annoying because we have to type out each domain specifically. What you're going to do is you're going to take your recommended opt-out list. It is quite a lengthy one. And then you're going to copy each of these domains in here one by one. Unfortunately, that for all the convenience that HubSpot offers with this feature, it is quite annoying to have to paste each of these in one by one. So as you can see, this is a little bit of a slog of a process, but once you've added them all in, you can just hit save and then click this to turn on the automation. And then when it prompts you, do you want to retroactively create company records for your existing contacts? You're going to hit yes, and that'll go back through all your contacts in the system based on their email addresses and generate a company record associated to that contact. Well, that's it for the lab tips today. If you all have got some value out of this, and keep on HubSpotting.
Thanks for watching, and keep removing those revenue roadblocks. If you want more videos like this, follow our channel for fresh, new content every day. Check out our RevOps playlist, or how about this video chosen just for you? See you next time.